Okay everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo and a page here on your HTML editor in Canvas. So you're going to, if you haven't already added a page, you're going to go to add a page. Then if you're going to want to add words up here, I'm just going to use this as my example. Then I'm going to put down here a message to my students. And then I want to add a picture here. So I'm going to make sure that my cursor is lined up where I want my picture. I'm going to go over here to images. I'm going to upload a new image. I'm going to choose a file. Pick a picture of cats here that I want to put in. Make sure that you put in here alt text, because that way it can read it if there's an alt text reader. And then you're going to click upload. When you do that, it uploads the picture to right here, and then you click save. That's all you have to do. Thank you.